What is up, guys? I am back here with another opening. Tonight, I am opening a Eevee V Tin that I got from the vending machine a couple months ago, and then I'm opening up 3 packs of Battle Styles Chilling Reign and 3 packs of Fusion Strike. So, first, let's get into the tin. Peep this out real quick. So, this is probably the only video I'm going to be doing for a while because I have something coming here pretty soon. It's a big project. Give you a hint. It's going to be posted hopefully on Christmas. So look out for that, guys. It's going to be a new Christmas video coming up. We'll see once it's, out. So, okay. Here's the promo. It's an Eevee promo. I really like that art. I've never seen that art. So set that off. See what's in here. Okay. Okay, we got a pack of Darkness Ablaze, Rebel Clash, Sun and Moon Base, and Face Collide. Okay, let's go oldest to newest, I guess. Let's see what's popping in these. We already see the code card. I know all of us have seen that code card. So we're just going to move that back. I think it's 3. Thank God. Get that out of the way. Hotchula, Weezing, Last Special, Cottony, Burmy, Snubble, Bronzer, Mincino, Reverse Hollow Marowak, and on the... Hold on a second. What is that? It's a secret rare. What is that? What is that? Okay. Whoa. Alakazam. What is he? That's so cool. Okay then. X and Y doing us good. Or the tin's doing us good, actually. Holy sheesh. I swear, hold myself back. Wow. First hit out of the X and Y pack. I'm glad I did this a different way. See if Sun and Moon can do us any better. Oh yeah, as you can see, I'm doing a only English opening. So, I was going to start a new set, but then I realized I'm not going to be, might as well wait till... Okay, Doug Trio. Oh, before I forget. Whoops. I dimmed my light on accident. I did an opening off camera, and these are what I got. Some of these I already have, except for like this Butterfree, this Lugia Break. I think I have him. I got him out of Fusion Strike. It's a Rillaboom VMAX. And I think it's a different art than usual. And then Tornadus, I already have him. So yeah, I think if I do openings off camera, I'll probably show you guys the pulls. So, yeah. Alright, now let's get into Rebel Clash. So let's turn that down. Okay. Okay, here we go. Grass Energy. Tranquil. Metachamp. Morgrim. Nosepass. Wingull, Coughing, Bronzor, Toxel, Reverse Hollow, Farfetch'd, and on the back, Dragapult V. Nice. Move this stuff. Okay. Let's get into that Darkness Ablaze. Okay, here we go. Electric Energy, Steenie, Old PC, Ursaring, Galarian Darumaka, Sentry, Rowlet, Squirtle, Spinarak, Rose Tower, and on the back, Mantrek, can't say his name. I don't know, but this is cool. And that's cool. That's like, it's a really good pull out of X and Y. I'm really hyped for that one. Okay, last pack out of the tin. Let's see, last pack magic with the tin. Let's see. Grass energy. Toapex. Big parcel. Shinnotic. Aeron. Cubchoo. Rowlet. Jigglypuff. Diglett. Reverse Hollow Skitty, and on the back, Crobat V. I don't think I've gotten that before. Alright, well, nice pulls out of the tin. Got a hollow, so I think that's like every pack except for one. So yeah, it's a really hype moment. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Fire Energy, Indeedee, Phoebe, Carvivine, Mawile, Formantis, Remoraid, Spearow, Pachirisu, Mankey, and Mean Chow on the back. Okay. But yeah, I was saying I think I won't post till Christmas. I think that's what I was saying earlier. There's a chance I might post in between, like some shorts maybe, because this project is gonna be really big. It's gonna be exciting. Hopefully you guys like it. And if not, then oh well. V Tin V, nice. Okay, let's scoot these up. Okay, last pack of Battle Styles. Let's see. I'm pretty sure I just showed the code card. Fighting Energy, Sword Ward and Shieldbert, Bisharp, Golbat, Mawile, Spoink, Galarian Mr. Mime, Scatterbug, Yamper, Reverse Hollow Octillery, and on the that's weird. I've never had that happen in English. In a row too. That's weird. Doubles in a row out of 2 different packs. That's funny. Okay. Let's get on some chilling rain. Hopefully we don't get no doubles out of here. That was weird. I've never had that happen. There's a card that's dinged. Let's see what it is. Electric Energy, Clara, Haunter, Celio, Squovit, Crabrawler, Grookey, Scorbunny, Aeron, Avery, and we got Zerora on the back. Zerora V. Sorry if I'm talking really fast. It's almost 12 o'clock. You know, I'm tired. So if I'm talking way too fast or not making any sense, I apologize. Fighting Energy, Agatha, Flareony, Old Symmetry, Sneasel, Weedle, Galarian Farfetch'd, Castform, Radiform, Larvesta, Reverse Hollow Porygon 2. On the back, we got a Doug Trio. Okay, here we go. Last pack of Chilling Rain. Let's see if it can give us some luck. I just bent the cards right there. That made me cringe. The way I just bent that. Okay, here we go. Psychic Energy, Flaffy, Path to the Peak, Lydian, Castform, Ladybug, Golett, Lobopus, Castform Snowy Form, Reverse Hollow Galarian Surfetched, and on the back, oh, we got a Hollow Rillaboom. I'm pretty sure I've gotten him. Maybe not. Maybe I don't have him. Maybe I'm thinking of a totally different Hollow. Who knows? Okay, here we go. Last 3 packs of the night. Grass, Frostmoth, Simisear, Farewell Bell, Grogrunk, Pansear, Gloomy, Arrokuda, Snubble, Reverse Hollow Toxicroak, and on the back, got an Orcorio. Okay, here we go. Steel Energy, Eldegoss, Galarian Berserker, Fusion Strike Energy, Arrokuda, Snubble, Geodude, Slislipede, Cleave Key, Reverse Hollow Snom, and on the back, Marcatus. Okay, last pack of the video. Let's get some luck, hopefully. Psychic Energy, Turtonator, can't say that, Schoolgirl, Gossifleur, Pampor, Eevee, Shinx, Shelmet, Reverse Hollow Geodude, and on the back, Miloletta. Well, guys, thank you guys for coming and watching. Please tune in next time. I'll be posting here soon. Planning on to post like whenever I get the chance, but maybe not until Christmas, till that video comes out. A little sneak peek, spoiler. So yeah, please see you next time. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.